Have you ever wanted to attend a HiFi trade show but couldn't? Now you can. On June 26th to 30th, the HiFi Summit begins. It's going to be a 5-day event available to people worldwide. There you can see your favorite brands and you'll get to see all the new products before anybody else. If you're shopping for products, you can even narrow down your search based on price and other specific criteria. You'll be able to chat live with other audio enthusiasts, ask questions about products and get them answered directly by the companies. You'll be able to vote for best in show. You can even leave testimonials for your favorite brands. Tickets are $49 for all 5 days, but if you sign up in May before June, you'll be able to get them at the early bird special of $24 for all 5 days. Those with tickets will be able to see show specials, exclusive discounts, as well as entering contest giveaways for some ridiculously awesome prizes, like entire systems. Crazy prizes. If you can't buy a ticket, we completely understand. We're going to be live streaming all the seminars for free to the general public, so don't worry about that. We have something for you as well. Also, after the show's over, we're going to open up the site for everyone to see. But no trade show is complete without an after party. So we're going to have DJ Chana De Silva, aka Techno Dad, spinning every single night. So you'll be able to sit back at home, enjoy the music, bump it on your system, dance, do whatever you want to do. He's even planning on doing an audiophile night where he's going to play his favorite audiophile test tracks. You can play them on your system and he'll tell you what he's looking for every step of the way. It's going to be awesome. Go to the HiFiSummit.com, buy your ticket, and let your hi-fi journey to the top begin.